If you're tired of wondering where your money disappears every month, you're not alone. But the good news? Budgeting has never been easier or smarter. Today, I'm breaking down the best budgeting apps for 2025 that are changing the game and saving people thousands. Best budgeting apps for 2025? So why do budgeting apps matter in 2025? With inflation still climbing and subscription fatigue setting in, budgeting isn't optional anymore, it's survival. But the best budgeting apps today do a lot more than just track your spending. They coach you, warn you, and some even invest for you. Just to put things into perspective, US household debt crossed $17.7 trillion in early 2025. Yeah, that's trillion with a T. It's never been more important to know where every dollar is going. Let's kick off with my first pick, YNAB, or You Need a Budget. This one's for the serious budgeters. If you're ready to take control, YNAB uses zero-based budgeting, so you give every dollar a job. It's not for the lazy, the learning curve is real. But so are the results. You get real-time syncing, debt paydown planning, and goal tracking. There's a 34-day free trial, then it's $14.99 a month. Pro tip: the average YNAB user saves $600 in just the first 2 months. Not bad for a little discipline. Next, let's talk Rocket Money, formerly Truebill. This app is like your financial detective. It scans your subscriptions, flags duplicates, and even negotiates bills for you. Think of it as budgeting, but with claws. Rocket Money detects recurring charges, cancels subscriptions in-app, tracks net worth, and can even negotiate lower bills. There's a free basic tier, or you can go premium for anywhere from $3 to $12 a month. You choose what you pay. If you're looking for something built for couples or families, check out Monarch Money. Built by ex-Mint developers, Monarch is perfect for syncing financial goals with your partner. Assign budgets, link investments, and see shared progress, all without sharing passwords. You get shared budgets, a net worth dashboard, customizable categories, and investment tracking. There's a free trial, then it's $14.99 a month. Now if you hate budgeting, but still need to not go broke, let me introduce Pocket Guard. It tells you exactly what you have left after bills, goals, and savings in one clean number. Check out the In My Pocket feature, auto-categorized expenses, bill tracking, and savings goals. Free basics or upgrade to Plus for $7.99 a month. For my investor friends, Empower, formerly Personal Capital, blends budgeting with investing. If you have assets and want one dashboard for your entire financial life, this is the one. You get a net worth and retirement tracker, cash flow budgeting, investment fee analyzer, and retirement planner tools. And the best part? It's free. Quick shout out to some honorable mentions. Good Budget for envelope-style budgeting, Zeta for couples, Spendy if you love visuals, and Budget for simple offline budgeting with no sign-up. Bottom line, budgeting in 2025 isn't about spreadsheets anymore. It's about finding the right tools to make your money work for you. Pick the one that fits your style, and start winning with your wallet today. Like, subscribe, make millions. New videos every week.